Cartoons.
And more, might that thing, fit and more
You're watching Established Chernobyl. Welcome back to One of All for Supporter 30 Days of Little Tikes. Well, of course it is going to be a low kid. So anyways, today is going to be the new episode of Disney's Kiff called Kiff is Good at Sports and Mushroom Mates. Oh, yes, I did. So anyways, don't miss the 30 Days of Guess the Character Season 3 finale. It's coming tomorrow on Kristian's channel. You are going to believe this. So, and after that, 30 Days of Guess the Character Season 4, the Animals Edition, will be coming on May 1st, 2024. The same day of the 25th anniversary of SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants! Oh, today we're going to take a look at the Little Tikes First Fridge, First Washer Dryer, and First Oven for MGA Entertainment. So anyways, please enjoy the video. Action!
Little kids can have a kitchen just like Mom and Dad thanks to these places.
Oh,
Today
that's
we're looking at
unmistakable.
kid appliances from Little Tikes.
Still got
First
products
fridge,
on this.
First oven, and first washer dryer. It's like a trip to Home Depot at the toy store.
Hey,
and begins
Home
like a toy
Depot.
store toy review. So click
Still
subscribe
happening
below.
now.
The first
That
fridge
still
includes 10
fixed
accessories:
now.
an ice cube tray and 4 ice cubes, a cup, an ice cream cone, a milk carton, a ketchup bottle, and an orange. Pretend magnet clips really open so kids can clutter their own fridge with their masterpieces. Open up the fridge's doors and insert the plate pieces on the shelves. The freezer drawer opens on the bottom. Place an ice cube in the fridge's working ice machine and then press the button for sound effects.
That's
just like
more
a real fridge, this
believe
fridge
it
even
is.
makes a humming noise
I'm
when
gonna
it's
eat
turned
the
on.
Pop-Tart
3
then.
AA batteries are included.
That's a
Take
good
food
old
from the
batteries
fridge to the
now.
first oven for pretend cooking and
Still
baking.
got a lot
This
of oven
playset
in
comes
this.
with 11 accessories: 4
Still
chocolate chip
heating
cookies,
on.
a baking tray, a spatula, a skillet, a dish towel, eggs and bacon.
It's also
and a
like an
steak.
easy bake, huh?
The stovetop dials turn and click, and they also activate sound effects and lights. The oven door opens, and kids can press the timer button for sound effects. And then press the light button to turn on the oven light. This also comes with 3 AA batteries. Get your pretend clothes clean with first washer dryer.
Hey,
it comes
you
with
still
11
washing,
accessories,
but
including
believe
3 laundry
this.
baskets,
Still washing
a bottle
along
of
with the
detergent,
basket, huh?
2 towels, a
Hey,
pair of socks,
we're
a
not
pair of
gonna
pants,
mess it
and
up
2
with
shirts.
this one.
Pretend to fill the detergent drawer and then
They
open
really
the door
missed
and
some
toss
on
in the
the Little
clothing and
Tikes
towels.
for LT.
Turn the dial for sound effects and
You
watch
can't
the
wait
drum
to
spin
do this
around.
on now. That stays
4 AA batteries
washable.
are included for this one. All of these will need to be assembled, and it's pretty easy to do, but some of the connectors were sometimes difficult to turn.
Still very
I love
good
that these are all
connections
inspired
on
by
this,
stainless
huh?
steel appliances to give them a luxe feel. These are nicer than the ones I have
Still
at
gotta
home.
cook out
What do you
on
guys think of
this.
these playsets? Which one do you want in your house?
Well, I think that's it for everything. So anyways, see you tomorrow on Supporter 30 Days of Little Tikes as soon as possible.
Oh, it's over. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Well, that's it, folks. Bye-bye.